plans. Welcome to week 10. Time for your game plans. October 12th to October 16th, 2020. Our learning goal is students will be able to solve quadratic functions on their Chapter 1.1 test. We're going through our big game plan. We have some news, talk about late work or work in general, and then week number 10 at a glance, and then go over your warm-up. CVA has this policy where I'm supposed to write a referral. A referral, I guess, is just I send it to the administrators, like Mr. David Green, who's our assistant principal, if you have 2 absences or 3 missing assignments in any of your classes. I'm trying to be a little more lenient, and the reason why is I think, number one, it's kind of like you're learning this virtual learning. Number 2, life happens, and so I think there's second chances, and so I'm trying to be patient with that, as long as you're willing to communicate with me. Okay, so I don't like to put forward your name and then it's like tomorrow I have to attend a conference for a student, and we're trying to help the student, but I want to help students any way possible. So if I can extend your deadlines or somehow give you hints or whatever it is, help, just let me know. What's some Room 902 news? Remember, you get and turn in your work through eCadence. And Aries is the official way you post grade in for the class. The reason why is it doesn't have the first assignments, it doesn't have Khan Academy in there, things like that. Okay, so I may have made a mistake. I think it was Connor who may have emailed me about it, so shout out to Connor, thank you. The last assignment, I think it's called assignment 7.4, I had skills practice 113, and then it repeated 113, and then the second foldable. And so I took a survey, like statistics. I didn't look at everyone's. I just looked at the first 3 students. One student had all 3 of those components, and then the other 2 were missing skills practice 114. So before you leave class today, I want you to make sure that you have resubmitted. You've resubmitted that assignment so that I can grade it. So it's free, it's not late, unless you're turning in like tomorrow. So before you leave class today, make sure that you've double checked that it has that. Khan Academy is coming up in 2 more weeks, 2 weeks, 18 days, 2.5 weeks. Remember, you need a total of 180 minutes. So regardless of what you had in August and September, all that matters is you have 180 learning minutes. Yesterday, I assigned like a whole lot of assignments, right? Videos I assigned, articles and practice problems, and even quizzes and tests within Khan Academy, but you don't need to do them all. All you need to do is watch enough to get to your 180 minutes. Can you go over and get ahead? Yes. Will you get extra credit? No, but it'll count for the following months. Today in class, we're going to take quiz number 4. Now, I will give you an option if you need to get more time and maybe you need to build more of your math confidence. So I'm going to say that quiz number 4 is due by Wednesday by 9 p.m. at nighttime. The reason why is I want to release the video solutions so that you have time to study for your test. Yeah, sorry, Isaac. I'm not sure why it sends you all those notifications. It's probably just sending you lots of math love. I'm not sure how to change it. Maybe you can figure that out on your side. Katie, you wanted me to repeat Khan Academy or the quiz? Oh, so we're taking a quiz in class today to prepare you for the test. And I'm going to give you an option. So you can either take it in class, but definitely finish it by Wednesday. And the reason why is so that I can release a video solution. We'll talk more about your option later. This coming Sunday by 1 p.m., you are turning in assignment 9.4. I postponed it. You were supposed to turn it in yesterday, but I realized it's a lot of work. So I wanted to give you guys more time to do that. So you're turning in skills practice 115, letters A, B, C, and D by this Sunday. Also by this Sunday, I will be assigning Chapter 1.1 test in Edulastic tomorrow, and you'll have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday to complete that. How can you guys study for the test and quizzes? Well, start from scratch. You can take it like a practice quiz. You just take it on your own, and then you can go ahead and click on the date for the video solution. You can just fast forward and check your answers, or if you completely don't understand it, you can just have a copy there and then do the math with me side by side. So right here is last year's tests, where actually I got your warm-up questions from. And I'll post the video solutions for your warm-up later on in class. We're going to do this if you choose to. Sorry, I need to fast forward. Late work. No one likes to do late work. And join me for office hours. Okay. So again, everything in red is already submitted. If you want to do it, you can still get 100%. Just turn it into late work. And that one is due this coming Sunday. So to reiterate, week number 10, central question, how do you solve quadratic equations? Oh, this is the better one, sorry. I duplicated it. This was your quiz that you took like 2 weeks ago. So there's also a blank and video solutions. So again, Sunday, you were turning in both your skills practice and your chapter 1.1 test. Again, if there's not enough space for you to do the math work, feel free to use a separate piece of paper. Doesn't hurt you to do that. And I think that's all I have for you. Let's see. Two more slides. No, that's not the one I wanted. No, that's not the one I wanted. Okay, I don't know where I put it, but here's your two options. Option number one,